Friends, welcome to my channel Maths Guru Oja. Today I am going to discuss about fungus. अभी हम सभी जानते हैं, सभी के मुख पे एक ही वर्ड सुनाई पड़ता है, दैट इज़ फंगस. समटाइम्स वी से वाइट फंगस, ब्लैक फंगस, और अब तो एक नया वर्ड आ गया, दैट इज़ येलो फंगस. बट व्हाट इज़ फंगस? ए फंगस is any member of the group of eukaryotic organisms that includes microorganisms such as yeast, molds, and most familiar is mushrooms. Now, what is the meaning of eukaryotic organisms? The organisms having the well-defined nucleus. If the organism have well-defined nucleus, it is called eukaryotic organisms. Whereas, if an organism does not have well defined nucleus, that is called prokaryotic organisms. तो ये यूकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म है जिसके पास वेल डिफाइन है न्यूक्लियस. और इसमें हम लोग के साथ जो सबसे फेमिलियर वर्ड है वो है मशरूम, बिकॉज एज वी नो दैट इट इज़ ए गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. बट मशरूम्स, ऑल मशरूम्स आर नॉट ईडेबल, सम मशरूम्स आर व्हाट, पॉइजनस. सो दैट इज अबाउट द फंगस, जनरल अबाउट द फंगस, हाउ दे लिव. सो एज फंगस does not have chlorophyll, so mostly they can't prepare the food, so they depend on the other substances, other organisms to acquire their food. इन्हें फूड के लिए दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म पर डिपेंड रहना पड़ता है. जनरली मशरूम वी हैव सीन ये डेड एंड डिकेइंग सब्सटेंस पे ग्रो करता है. सो वी गोट एन आइडिया दैट व्हाट इज फंगस एंड वेयर डज दीज आर फाउंड. दीज आर जनरली फाउंड where dead and decaying substances are there. That means the environment is not clean. If the substances are decaying, obviously वहाँ पे fungus grow करेगा. Now, what about white fungus, black fungus and yellow fungus? So here we are going to learn about the comparison. And here we can see the yellow fungus is most worse. ये सबसे खतरनाक है. White और black से भी खतरनाक है. So what is black fungus? Black fungus, and where it is found, what is the impact of black fungus? We can see here the black fungus is found commonly in our environment. It is found in soil, in plants, manure, decaying fruits and vegetables. And this is, here it is written that mucus is a microbial germs that is the cause of black fungus. As we can see, black fungus mucormycosis, it is an aggressive fungal infection and clinical term is rhinoorbital cerebral. That means this black fungus is referred to mucormycosis. And what type of fungus is this one? It is a very aggressive fungal infection. That means it is very aggressive. It can destroy our cells. It can destroy the brain also. So that's why in clinical term it is known as rhinoorbital cerebral. So we can see here what is black fungus, what is the impact of black fungus, and what is the clinical term for the black fungus. Now we should know what are the symptoms of black fungus and how it is caused and what is the cure of black fungus. So the symptoms of black fungus is that it causes the infection in our nose, near our nose, eyes, and then to the brain. That's why it is very deadly, because it directly impact on the brain. So that is the very dangerous part of black fungus. If we compare it with the white fungus is not that aggressive as compared to black fungus. So black fungus can be considered very deadly. Both black and white fungus are caused by mucormycetes which are already present in our environment. And as we already discussed that this is a very aggressive fungus that can attack our eyes, that can attack our nose and then to the brain. So this is for black fungus. But where the white fungus will attack? What is the symptoms of white fungus? The white fungus, it generally attacks the whole body, that is on the all body parts of the our system, and mainly to the essential body parts, essential body system. So what are the body systems or organ systems, I should say, present in our body? That is the digestive system, that is the blood circulatory system. These are the different systems, organ system present in our body, and the white fungus generally attacks on that different types of systems, and due to that only we can't survive if we will not take the treatment in right time. That means if a person is suffering from any type of fungus, the treatment is very essential. And what type of treatment? So treatment we will discuss. Before that, we can see the some symptoms of black fungus here, that chest pain will occur, breathing problem will occur, and so on. So if anyone is suffering, they may have certain symptoms. Already we discussed about mucus. It is a microbial genus of approximately 40 species, and that is the cause of black fungus. Now doctors believe that 50% of the your black fungus is caused due to the excessive use of medicine or due to the use of steroids. So that is the reason. That's why COVID patients are suffering from fungal disease. Then white fungus is also, we can see, it is curable by the common medicine, but black fungus need expensive injection. This is the difference between the treatment of black fungus and white fungus. That white fungus can be cured by common medicines, whereas black fungus needs excessive expensive injections. So that's why this is more deadly, because a common people will not be able to purchase such expensive injections, and these injections are not also available in general store. It can be only purchased in the government clinical stores. So that's why these two fungus, white fungus and black fungus, we can consider black fungus to be more deadly. And what should we do? We should live in clean environment so that we should not suffer from such infection. Now white fungus first case is found in Patna, whereas black fungus is found in different states of India, and already the 4 states has declared it as epidemic till date. That means the 4 states already suffered from this black fungus. So that's why they have declared it as epidemic, and they have done several measures. They have taken several measures so that people should not suffer from black fungus. And the patients, such as the COVID patients, the cancer patients, or the AIDS patients, are generally suffering from this fungal disease. Why? Because their immune system is very big after suffering from such disease. If a person is suffering from diabetes, the person has weak immune system. So that's the problem for cause of white fungus or black fungus. We can see here white fungus has grave impact on the lungs and the other body parts, as we told earlier that it impacts on the all body parts. If an essential our body organs or our organ systems like digestive system, like lungs, that is respiratory system, and so on. So that is the impact of white fungus. So what we should do? We should take proper treatment if we are suffering from such fungus, and we should not allow to grow the fungus in our surrounding. We should always clean our surrounding so that fungus can grow, as we already discussed that fungus grows in dead and decaying substances. Now we can see here that if environment is not clean, there is maximum opportunity that people will going to suffer from fungal infection. They are prone to catch the fungal infection. So we should try to live in a clean environment. That is the most important part. And the persons who are suffering from COVID, they should take care about their immune system. And for that, the exercise, especially I should mention yoga, is very important, so that they can boost up their immune system. Now we have to discuss about the deadly fungus, that is the yellow fungus. The first case in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, it is found, and it is more dangerous than black and white fungus. Why it is more dangerous? What are the symptoms of yellow fungus, and what is the treatment for yellow fungus? Where this fungal disease are found, and why the people are suffering from yellow fungus? So as we have seen here, that the first case is found in Ghaziabad, that is in Uttar Pradesh. Now we should going to discuss about the symptoms of yellow fungus. If a person is suffering from yellow fungus, the person will feel lethargy, that means the body will be tired. The person will have low appetite, that is the most significant symptom. That person is going to suffer from low appetite and weight loss. And in severe cases, the person suffering from yellow fungus will have slow healing of open wounds. If suppose cut mark is there or such thing is there, you will see that healing will not take place, because the person is suffering from what? Yellow fungus. So the most important symptoms we can see in a person who are suffering from yellow fungus, that their appetite will be low, they will be lethargy, body will feel very tired, and the weight loss will take place. So that's why we can say that yellow fungus is a fatal disease, because it starts internally, and it is caused due to the bad hygiene. That means due to the unclean environment. That is the most significant part for yellow fungus. So if a person is living in a very clean environment, very rare chance the person is going to suffer from yellow fungus. And as we told that why it is more deadlier than black or white fungus, because its impact is directly internally. Internal effects is more, that's why it is considered as fatal disease as compared to white and black fungus. Now we should know what is the treatment for yellow fungus. How we can cure yellow fungus if a person is suffering from yellow fungus. The only treatment for it is a broad spectrum antifungal. This is the only treatment available if a person is suffering from what? Yellow fungus. So it is very dangerous. The person should consult to the doctor immediately if any such of the symptom is seen in the person, because if there is a late or delay in treatment, the person is going to suffer, or death also may take place. So that's why from any infection, fungal infection, if the treatment is taken in proper time, the person is not going to die, and these are not communicable disease as considered. So ultimately we can say that to live in clean environment, we have to follow the COVID norms, then we can not suffer from the fungal disease. So I hope all three fungal disease is clear to all of you. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, kindly share to others, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then you subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get any such issues directly. Thank you.